The classification of amino acid, we are continuing with the another type of classification of amino acid. One is we have discussed the amino acid which are converted or divided into 5 subgroups. Second is the essential and non-essential, and this is the third type of classification of amino acids which are divided into either glucogenic or ketogenic. Amino acids can be classified as glucogenic or ketogenic, which is based on what intermediates are produced during their catabolism. जब भी amino acids catabolize होते हैं या protein breakdown होती है, जब या हम orally during nutrition या अपने nutrition में amino acids लेते हैं, तो they are catabolized. Either they are catabolized into the formation of glucose or glycogen or gluconeogenesis, or they are catabolized for the formation of ketone bodies, and we will discuss in detail in this module the glucogenic and amino acids and ketogenic amino acids. Number one is the glucogenic amino acids. Amino acids whose catabolism yield pyruvate are termed glucogenic or glycogenic amino acids. जिन amino acid के catabolism से pyruvate बनता है, वो particular amino acids जो pyruvate form करते हैं during catabolism or their breakdown, they are called glucogenic or glycogenic amino acids. These intermediates are substrates for gluconeogenesis and therefore can give rise to the net formation of glucose or glycogen in the liver and glycogen in the muscles. Glucose जो है ये amino acids जब कैटाबोलाइज होते हैं तो लिवर में ये आइदर ग्लाइकोजन बनाते हैं ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस से और ग्लूकोज बनाते हैं इन द लिवर, या मसल्स में ग्लूकोज फॉर्मेशन नहीं हो रही, वहाँ पे ये ग्लाइकोजन में कन्वर्ट होते हैं. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड दी ग्लूकोजेनिक अमाइनो एसिड्स. सेकेंड क्लास ऑफ दीज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ these amino acids is the ketogenic amino acids. Amino acids whose catabolism yield either acetoacetate or its precursor, which is acetyl-CoA or acetoacetyl-CoA, are known as ketogenic amino acids. वो amino acids जो acetyl-CoA बना रहे हैं या acetoacetyl-CoA बना रहे हैं या acetyl-CoA या acetoacetate बना रहे हैं, these amino acids are called as ketogenic amino acids. Acetoacetate is one of the ketone bodies which also include beta hydroxy or 3-hydroxy butyrate and acetone. तो 3 किस्म की जो है ना वो कीटोन बॉडीज कहलाती हैं. वन इज दी एसीटोन, अदर इज दी बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी ब्यूटारिक एसिड एंड थर्ड इज दी एसीटोएसीटेट. Leucine and lysine are the only 2 amino acids which are purely ketogenic. ये सिर्फ acetyl-CoA और its ketone bodies form करते हैं. So these are the only 2 amino acids, which is leucine and lysine, which form ketogenic and form these 2 are the purely ketogenic. Others are the glucogenic and some are the both ketogenic and glucogenic. Their catabolism either produce ketogenic products, byproducts, or products of glucogenic. Leucine and lysine are the only exclusively ketogenic amino acids which are found in proteins. Their carbon skeleton are not substrate for gluconeogenesis and therefore cannot give rise to net formation of glucose or glycogen in the liver or glycogen in the muscles. इसका कार्बन स्केलेटन इस तरह का बना होता है कि ये ग्लाइकोजन भी नहीं बना सकते, ग्लूकोज भी नहीं बना सकते, इन दी ग्लूकोनियोजेनेसिस में यूज़ नहीं हो सकते. दे ओनली फॉर्म दी acetyl-CoA. This is the diagrammatic presentation of the glucogenic and ketogenic amino acids, as we have discussed already in the last module, that these are also classified as non-essential and essential amino acid. Essential वो थे जो सिर्फ फूड में लेने ज़रूरी हैं, न्यूट्रिशन में लेने ज़रूरी हैं. So this is the glucogenic, these are the glucogenic amino acids, these are the ketogenic amino acid, and these are the amino acids which are purely glucogenic and they can form during gluconeogenesis either glucose or glycogen. And these two amino acids are exclusively ketogenic. They form acetoacetate or acetyl-CoA in their catabolism. So the alanine, arginine, asparagine, cysteine, glutamate, glutamine, glycine, proline and serine, these are the amino acids which are purely glucogenic and these are also classified as non-essential amino acids. While glucogenic amino acids are the histidine, methionine and valine. These amino acids which are shown red in this column are purely glucogenic and they can form only glucose or glycogen. While certain amino acids which during their catabolism are both forming glucose or glycogen or acetyl-CoA, so they are classified as glucogenic as well as ketogenic and both glucogenic and ketogenic. These are the tyrosine in the non-essential group and in the essential group is the threonine, isoleucine, phenylalanine and tryptophan. So this is another type of classification on the basis of their catabolism into glucose precursor or glucose and ketogenic in the formation of either acetyl-CoA or acetoacetate. This diagrammatic presentation or this is the form of a table, which table also define the glucogenic amino acids and which are grouped according to their site of entry into the glucose pathway. So the formation of pyruvate, alpha-ketoglutarate, succinyl-CoA, fumarate, oxalate are the different forms of formation from the pyruvate. So these amino acids are the glucogenic and these amino acids which are also both ketogenic and glucogenic are tryptophan, as we have seen, isoleucine, tyrosine, phenylalanine and threonine. So this table presents the glucogenic amino acids and their site of entry into the pathway of formation of glucose from the pyruvate. And this table also defines the glucogenic and ketogenic amino acids, both ketogenic and glucogenic amino acids, which are also shown in this particular table.